Okay, we have the KindiKids Kindi Fun refrigerator. What they say right there, Ad? Say, yay, let's play. Twist, magnet, and egg. That sounds like it's pretty good. We'll check this out.
A tub, ice. What is this? A bottle, a tan, and a tub takes lots of them. The most magic.
You got it, Ad. You got it. So let's open it. Let's open it. Something better for it. Let's see. Got something that'll help us get all this off. Well, it's wrapped tight up in there. That way, that's good though. That way, nothing to jiggle around.
You need a knife.
I got it out.
Mommy, Dad, need your help. Wow. They picked the tub back.
You gotta find room. Find room in the refrigerator.
Mama, put it right here. There's another ice right here. Now with the broccoli.
The broccoli? Oh, you put the broccoli right there.
No, with the broccoli right here.
Yeah, it can go in there. It can go on top. Too big? Okay, put it on top. That looks cold, man. You see the snowflakes?
The ice is in there.
Ice can go in there? Yep.
How is it the other ice?
Let that ice stay right there. Let's see if, let's make it go. Look. Watch it close the other side of the refrigerator. Oh, look. Hey, just go right here. Take this thing off. There we go. See? No, look. Watch this. Let's see what that does. Alright, close this up. Let's try to make the ice cream come out. What's that? Fresh. Do it again. Do it again. Get open.
The tell mommy's right here. Put it in here.
You put a block of ice in the cup.
I don't know why you know, bro.
Put it in. Push the ice. Push it. Push it.
Push it hard.
Yeah, that's it. You see it. Yeah.
It's J-Toes.
And you have a magnet. You got a magnet on the refrigerator.
A magnet.
I don't think it comes off though. Yeah, I don't think that comes off, man. Don't try to take it off. That's good. So you can pop the ice cubes out. You can put the ice cubes in the cup. You have your broccoli, you have your eggs, and the eggs pop up.
I should do both of them.
That's cool.
It's sticky. Go.
Doing it again.